Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for personal productivity. First, create a new page and choose a template or start from scratch. Consider using a simple to-do list template to begin. You can easily add different block types like text, headings, and checkboxes. Notion's flexibility allows you to tailor your workspace to your exact needs, making it a powerful tool for managing everything from daily tasks to long-term projects. It's designed to adapt to your workflow, not the other way around. To set up your workspace effectively, begin by creating a central dashboard. This acts as your home base, providing quick access to all your important areas. Next, establish dedicated pages for distinct categories such as work projects, personal goals, or learning resources. You can link these pages back to your dashboard for seamless navigation. This structured approach helps maintain clarity and ensures you can find exactly what you need in just a few clicks. For efficient task management, set up a dedicated tasks database. Include properties like due date, status, e.g., to do, in progress, done, and priority. You can then create various views for this database, such as a calendar view to see deadlines or a board view to track progress. Linking tasks to larger projects or relevant notes provides crucial context, ensuring you always know the bigger picture and how each task contributes to your overall objectives. To elevate your Notion experience, explore the vast library of community and official templates. These can jumpstart complex systems like habit trackers or content calendars. Consider using Notion buttons to automate repetitive actions, such as creating a new daily journal entry. For even greater power, integrate Notion with other applications using tools like Zapier or Make, allowing for seamless data flow and expanded functionality. This customization ensures Notion truly works for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.